Every morning I want you to tell yourself, I am thankful, I am kind, I am sweet, and I am loved.
That is beautiful.
Never give up.
Never give up. That is beautiful.
And always love yourself.
And always love yourself. That is perfect for Self-Care Sunday. Hi guys, it's Vera. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi, it's nice to see you. Come have a seat at the table and let's have some fun together. I am a St. Louis based lifestyle blogger, photographer, and cosmetologist. On my channel, I like to share my journey with you guys in hopes of inspiring and helping other people. Today, I am doing a Self-Care Sunday video. I'm trying out some new skincare products and I am just going to love on myself, unwind and relax, and I want to welcome you guys with me. Grab some snacks, light a candle, dim the lights, do whatever you have to do to get the ambiance that you want for your Sunday and get yourself ready for the week. So today we are going to be doing the works. I got a new steamer from Amazon. I'm using the Microdermabrasion kit from Michael Todd. I'm trying a new mask and I'm trying a new chemical peel. We are doing it all. I'm talking about extracting, just everything to get my skin ready for the week. If you are interested in any of these things that I'm doing, how to do them and how I like them, be sure to keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I have here is the steamer. This is the Simply steamer that I purchased from Amazon. I got a little headband. It's really cute. It looks like it has ears. I guess a lid, just a cover that you can put over it. I got the actual steamer. And this is like fatter than I was expecting. But as you can see, it's just got this part right here. I guess you kind of open up and the water goes in here. This is really small. Like, I wonder how long this is gonna stay on for. So I have these two mask applicators that also came inside the box. I'm using a sheet mask today, so I won't necessarily need these, but these are definitely gonna come in handy when I do my charcoal mask and like maybe even my clay mask. I cannot wait for that. The other item I am using today, I'm really excited about, which is it's the Sonic Refresher from Michael Todd. It's a microdermabrasion system, an at-home wet or dry microdermabrasion system. It has 30 filters, 3 customizable speeds, a fine tip diamond head, a coarse tip diamond head, and a small fine diamond head. So I'm really excited about that. I did let mine charge overnight. This is what it looks like, and it looks like there's already a filter on the inside there for me to start with. And with this one, you're just gonna pop it open, and there's a little spot for you to put whatever you want to use in there. You can either use water or a toner. You can either pour it in there, or they give you this little bottle to put it in, and then you can just kind of pour it in there that way. I am also going to be reviewing the Ordinary ABH BHA peel as well, but I'm going to save that for a separate video if this video is too long. Got my little band on. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and fill this up. So I guess you just twist this open. I'm really just using this because I want to get my pores to be more manageable and kind of soften them up some. And this isn't exactly making my skin like wet. How's it feel?
Good.
Good.
Hey little guys, this feels nice. I'm soothing my face.
All right. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough now.
Now this is pretty hot, I could say, and it's pretty smooth. She is chillaxing smooth.
This is the charcoal detox cleanser. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this on my skin. No, my skin is not wet. I actually learned from an esthetician at Ulta. She told me that when you apply your cleansers that you want to do it when your skin is still dry, because some cleansers are actually deactivated by the water. So you want to give the cleanser a chance to actually work before you apply water. Now I do have a little bit of water that I'm going to apply. Now I'm just gonna wipe away the soap from the cleanser. Now I'm gonna start my microdermabrasion. I'm going to use this, so sorry if it's in your guys' way. I don't want it to be, but I still need to see what I'm doing. All right, so there's our toner. The filter is on there. The good thing about the tips is that it has a name. It has like a letter on there. The F is for fine, the C is for coarse, and then the S is for the small. First, we're gonna just start with the coarse. All right, now let's turn this on. Oh, so that's how you turn it on, and the steam is coming out. Oh, this smells good, doesn't it? I'm going to actually leave my steamer on while I do my microderm, because I just think it's like an added bonus. So I'm gonna start with my coarse microderm. I'm gonna start with my chin because I have a lot of sebaceous filaments there, and I want to see how good it works on those. I don't know if it got anything. I'm gonna turn this on the highest setting. Oh my goodness, guys, I didn't know this thing was doing anything, but I legit see like blackheads in here. Can I turn the steam on? Okay, now let me see if I can do the steam with this. I am shook, y'all. Guys, there's legit stuff in here. There's like little blackheads in here. I'm gonna show you guys afterwards. I'm gonna put some pictures up here for you guys to see so you can believe me. I didn't know that it was gonna do this. So next we're gonna go with the fine one. Now I'm going to use the fine one for around my nose, and then also this area here and my smile line. And the one thing that I can say right now is that the mister, it doesn't stay on, and then also it's cool, and I want something warm to help with my pores, help make them more malleable. Alright, so now I'm going to start extracting what blackheads I see. First, I am going to clean my tools. I'm just going to use my alcohol. I really like this one here with the circles. So yeah, I'm just going to clean this with the alcohol. And I'm gonna again turn my steamer on and I'm gonna start extracting. I feel like the benefit of extracting after a microdermabrasion is that your skin, you've removed that layer of skin, so it's easier to kind of pop the ones out that are ready to come out. All right, so I have cleansed, I have did the microderm and I extracted. Then I went over my face with some toner to kind of normalize my skin so I can use the peel that I'm about to use. This is the ABA BHA peel and this is the consistency. All right, so now I'm just gonna kind of put it on my skin. So I'm noticing it's turning white. I don't know if that's good or bad. All right, so we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. I just finished with my cleansing, my microdermabrasion, my extracting, and my chemical peel. Now that I've done all these things to my skin, I wanna go ahead and calm things down and put some nutrients back into my skin. I'm going to be doing a mask. The mask that I'm actually going to use is this super hydrating hyaluronic acid with vitamin B3 and sea kelp hydrogel mask. This one, I like that it has niacinamide in it. It has witch hazel, the hyaluronic acid. I don't like that it has fragrance in it, but it has chamomile. So I feel like this one has a lot of good things in it. I'm just gonna put it on for 30 minutes and then I'll be back.
Do you use this to wash your face? Wash my face.
All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and then I'll be back. All right, so I'm just gonna use my toner. This is the witch hazel toner. I mentioned it in a previous skincare video. It has salicylic acid in it, tea tree, and something else that's calm.
So now it's my turn and let's hit it.
Oh, she getting spicy.
Oh, and guys, did I tell you? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you follow my mom's Instagram channel.
You're so sweet.
She could tell you what her Instagram channel is.
We'll put it right here. We'll put our Instagram channel, and then also be on the lookout for Layla's Instagram. Is it gonna be Layla's Closet or is it Layla's Corner?
Layla's World.
Oh, it's Layla's World? Okay, so it's gonna be Layla's World, guys. Can't wait for that to drop in 2020.
And guys, my mom is probably gonna put down the link of the October video, so she's probably gonna be right down there.
Or I might put it right up there. I am using new products this month for the next 3 weeks, and I will be leaving a review on my blog at voiceofvera.com. I'm going to be using the niacinamide from The Ordinary. This is good for acne, enlarged pores, uneven skin tones, and texture. But yeah, so the two serums that I'm using today, both were 2 out of the 3 common ingredients in my Curology kit. I don't really remember what the third one was. And then another good tip that I learned is to make sure when you are applying your just whatever you're applying, to kind of give your skin a minute to absorb one product before you add the other one. So while this one is being absorbed by my skin, clear skin loading. Anyway, so the next one I'm going to be using is I think this is pronounced Azalac. I'm really interested in this particular suspension because it's also good for acne. You guys know I suffer with acne. It's also good for hyperpigmentation, and it's good for just dullness and, you know, all that issues that you have. But if you do decide to try these, definitely remember to apply the niacinamide before you apply the other one, because this one is a little bit thicker. And guys, my skin feels really great. Like, I feel really good about this process. I'm not sure how many times it says to do the microdermabrasion. Maybe I'll just do it once a month. I also have their dermaplaning system, so if you're interested in hearing more about that, let me know. But I'm really satisfied. I'm still going to continue to extract once a week, and I'm probably going to use the steamer once a week with an exfoliator and a mask, but I'll just do the microderm maybe once a month. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my moisturizer, and this is the Drink H2O from Tarte. Alright, so I feel really good. Like, I don't know guys, I can't express to you guys how good I feel about my experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really nice self-care Sunday, kind of, you know, take care of yourself, wind down, love on yourself type of day. I feel really good, and I hope you guys can incorporate some of these things into your self-care Sunday routines, and let me know if you have any questions or anything like that.
And I just want to say before we go, for the Sunday night, you all are perfect.
Okay, and you know you're perfect too, right? I love you.
Bye.
Do it to the lens.